Rancho Labs, an innovative edtech startup initiated in 2019 by esteemed IIT Delhi alumni and professors, aims to foster a dynamic and creative learning environment and channelize the immense potential of children on the right path to aid them in accomplishing their dreams in technology. With the world already in a virtual era, automation, programming, and artificial intelligence are the needs of the hour, and Rancho Labs works with this future insight. With their comprehensive summer camp and Young Innovators program, they equip young leaders with future-ready skills. Wondering how I got to the IIT Delhi campus? Of course, I appreciate my mother for connecting me here, but the roots come from my IITian grandfather and the motivational support shown to me by my maternal grandmother.
Rancho at IIT Delhi, my university supported Rushil.
It's a proud moment, Rushil.
Rancho Labs acknowledge the importance of the parents and educators in empowering young students with STEM skills, aligning with NEP goals thanks to technical studies at IIT Delhi, Anshul Agrawal and Aman Kumar, founders of the Rancho Labs, for driving this and revolutionizing education beyond conventional approaches.
Thank you, Rancho Lab, for the incredible work you are doing for shaping the futures of students like Rushil Gupta and guiding towards STEM education. Your dedication, passion, and commitment to provide the tools, knowledge, and support to help students thrive are truly amazing. Thank you for shaping the leaders, engineers, and scientists of tomorrow. Thank you.
Be a little adventure with Rancho Labs.
Join Rancho Labs in hands-on robotics adventures for kids where imagination meets innovation and young learners become the architects for their own robotic wonders.
Transforming STEM education across India. Thank you, Rancho Labs, for shaping a father-adult student, and congratulations, Rushil.
Let's build, play, and create with Rancho Labs.
Congratulations, Rushil, for the patent!
Rancho Labs at Sethanandram Chapuria School drives passion for innovation and a commitment to reform education through practical learning.
Rancho Labs focuses on robotics and AI. Rancho Labs empowers the problem solvers and visionaries of tomorrow.
Rancho Labs empowers children to code, build, and command their robotic creations, fostering ingenuity and tech skills. Congrats, Rushil.
Congratulations, Rushil, for getting your patent approved, and thank you, Rancho Labs, for supporting him.
Congratulations, Rushil, for your patent, and I would like to thank Rancho Labs for supporting such tech leaders and giving them hand-holding support in coding, AI, and robotics. Thank you.
Huge congrats to Rushil on getting your patent approved. Kudos to Rancho Labs for nurturing the next generation young entrepreneurs in coding, AI, and robotics. Your support has been empowering this young mind in shaping the future.